up, jewels and gems? So guess what we got? A package has came in the mail. Kind of excited. I finally got my tripod. Let's see. Yeah. I might try to use it as a thumbnail. I don't know. But I finally got my tripod. And we're going to take this bad boy out and see. How good is it? So right now, I'm struggling to try to find somewhere to even put this phone so I can show you guys. So I'm just gonna try to hold it really quick. So this is it. It's little, but it seems like really weak but strong, if it makes sense. Like I could move it really quickly and real easily without a lot of force, but it seems like it'll stand and hold its place, you know. And this is where my phone will be going. So yeah, let's put this on the tripod. Okay, so we finally have it on the tripod. I'm really nervous because my bed is so shaky. See? And it's still shaking. So we're gonna do a quick mukbang. So this robe is gonna get iconic because when I don't have on clothes or when I don't want to wear clothes, I usually throw this robe on instead of my other robe, which is my shower robe. So we're eating SAC food, which is our student activity center, where we have like a little sub shop. Yeah. So, oh, this is a baby mukbang. This is not even mine. I knew it wasn't no tomato on there. I could tell. That was cheeseburger just with lettuce. It was supposed to be lettuce and tomatoes. However, she didn't put my tomato on there, so we just rolling with the tomato. So I just want to talk about how all my exes were ugly. I just thought about that today. Well, kind of last night before I fell asleep. I was like thinking about, okay, the guys I used to date in high school versus all the guys that I've actually dated in college, which is 2 people. Like real relationship up close. 2 people. And they both were ugly. Isn't that crazy? Both of them were ugly. Like they were 6s compared to me. Like I made us look good. That was the situation. I made us look good. And I'm feeling like that now because I'm thinking you know, the girls that they're with now, to me, they don't carry themselves better than me. So therefore, I feel like they're not an upgrade. Like their style's not on point. The exterior's not on point. Now, I don't know the interior because I'm not their friend. I don't know them. I don't know how they are interiorly. From the exterior, I feel like I'm a 10 compared to their new rebounds that are 6s, 5s. We'll give her a 5. Them a 5. So then I'm thinking, you know, if he can go to a 10 and then transfer over to a 5, maybe he was never a 10 himself. Maybe he was really a 6 or 5, you know? So really they were all ugly already. And they just found somebody to match their 5. I was that impossible girl to get, and they got me. And it's like, you know, luck only strikes once sometimes. This is me just being a little bit arrogant, cocky. And not even just the college guys. I feel like guys I dated in high school, I was looking at it and they were talking so much shit, like they just so fine. And I sit and I'm looking like, he was really ugly. He still is ugly. Like, what the fuck was I thinking? He was so ugly. Like, he still is ugly. This is one particular ex that I have, and I'm really gearing this message to. Man, I just tell everybody he's the ugliest boyfriend I ever had. But because I was dealing with him so long, he started to get finer in my eyes because, you know, you started to be okay with it. It's like you walk in the room and it stinks. But you're sitting in there so long, you forget the smell's there. I'm dealing with you so long, 5, 6 years. I forget that you ugly. Same thing. So yeah, these niggas be ugly as fuck that I be talking to. And I be like, oh, I want an ugly nigga. You already have one. Lord, you already had a few. I need a nigga that's gonna match my fly. We can be pretty as fuck together, fine as fuck together, sexy as fuck together. Somebody can keep up with me interiorly and exteriorly. But I don't need people asking me like, bro, how you got her? Or people asking me, girl, why you dating him? I need people to look at us and be like, now that couple right there, they look good to go. They look like they were meant for each other. Oh, by the way, there's seasoning salt on my fries. My blood pressure has been like really low lately, so my mom makes me put salt on most of my food. So seasoning salt has a lot of sodium and salt in it, so I just put that on there rather than regular salt to try to get my blood pressure a little bit elevated since it's so low. So yeah, that's that. So my overall of this tripod as of right now, I think it's good. It's staying in place. It's just my bed is very wobbly, so it's kind of affecting my judgment. Other than that, I give it 5 out of 5. Got it from Amazon. I think $11. I'll link it in the description. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you don't follow me on social medias, go to my profile and all my links right there. Check out a few other videos while you're here. Peace out. If you don't like this video, one of your ugly ex-boyfriends are gonna come find you and wipe you back up.